Eco Magic Art. Magic Hat. Kids, let's see what we are drawing today. Wow! It's a cupcake. Let's start the outline with a black color. First, we will draw a cup. Now, let's draw the cake, just above the cup. Now, we will draw a cherry on the top of the cake. Let's draw the chocolate on the cake. Yum! It's looking amazing! Kids, let's draw some strips on the cup. Kids, we are almost done with our first step. It's coloring time. First, we will use blue color for the cup. Kids, let's do it together. For strips, we will use pink color. Kids, it's time to color the cake. For cake, we will use yellow color. Brown color for the chocolate. Don't forget to color the cherry. Red color for this cherry. Now we will use green color for the stem of the cherry. Wow, kids! We have completed our drawing. Great job, little artists! Kids, this cupcake looks so delicious! Yes! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun drawing adventures. Keep creating magic. See you next time!